If you are looking in a way to change your phone location, then you must watch this video. If you ever had apps showing the wrong content, restricting features, or simply not working the way you want because your GPS location is locked to where you actually are, or test some apps from different regions without physically being there, the good news is you can still change your GPS location without rooting or jailbreaking your phone. And in this video, I will show you one of the easiest ways to do it safely and smoothly. The tool that I'm going to show you today is PoGoskill Location Changer. PoGoskill is a tool that makes it super easy to fake your phone location, and it's a safer way to teleport to anywhere, and it's fully compatible with iOS 27 and Android 16. Let me show you how does the tool work. You can simply change your location just by selecting the location you want on the map and then click start moving. And as you can see, that's it. You can simply teleport to anywhere without any hassle. Not only that, if you are a Pokemon Go player, PoGoskill offers more features like auto catch Pokemon, auto spin PokéStop, auto raid battle, auto egg catcher, IV check, and global Pokemon search can improve your Pokemon Go exploration experience. Now let me show you how to download PoGoskill. First, go ahead and open Google Play Store, then go to the search here and search for PoGoskill. This is it. Go ahead and install it for free. Once installed, go ahead and open it. Let's open the PoGoskill app. The app is simple. PoGoskill works as a GPS simulation and location changer tool for Android. You can choose a location on the map, move with a joystick, create routes, preview different areas, and test location-based game experiences more easily. Once you select the location, you can change some things like the speed, make it one-way movement, round-trip movement, or loop movement. You can select multiple spots on the map. Once done, click go, and that's it. It's that simple and easy. Here we have the Pokemon Go and Monster Hunter Now features, Bluetooth game mode, and more. Here you can find the advanced features and the Pokemon Go features if you are a Pokemon Go player. Here you can enable some features like skip catch Pokemon, enhanced throw magic, and transfer after catch. This can improve your Pokemon Go exploration and catching experience. It also has safe game mode with advanced simulation to bypass errors and prevent soft bans effortlessly. When you change your location, you can here below select single spot movement, then here select which mode you want for other social apps or games like Pokemon Go and more. I will use it for social apps. Here below adjust the speed and then click start moving. Here you can use the joystick movement. Make sure to give the necessary permission to use the joystick. What this feature do is, instead of staying in one place, you can control movement direction manually, which is useful for exploring local areas, checking nearby spawns, and moving around PokéStops or gyms. Here we have more options like enable or disable follow view, view your history, customize joystick settings, enable flight cooldown settings, and customize joystick size. Here you can see your favorite places and access it easily anytime. Here we have the cooldown timer, which reminds you to avoid frequently GPS location changes. PoGoskill also offers wireless connection with high-speed Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support for total convenience, adjustable speed, smart cooldown timer, and more. And this is all the app features. Final thoughts about PoGoskill Location Changer. It's a good tool and it's easy to use. With this tool, you can safely change location on Pokemon Go to catch eggs and catch rare Pokemon without moving. It also supports Monster Hunter and other location-based games. The tool also protects your digital privacy by hiding your real coordinates and easily fake location to stop tracking apps and social media platforms from knowing your exact location. So with all these features, I can recommend it to you, and of course you can download it for free and give it a try. If you want to download it, make sure to download it from the download link below this video. So with all these features, I can give it 7.5 out of 10. And this is our video for today. Like the video if it helped you, subscribe for more amazing tools and reviews, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching and peace out.